Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to hang a door. There are only a few tools you need to install a door. The first one is some shims to pin the door down, or you can use a windbag like I do. The next step is to have some screws to secure the door to the wall frame, and I use concrete screws because they have threads all the way, and this makes it very easy to install the door because the frame of the door doesn't move when you screw them in. The third thing is you need a drill. Like you see in the picture, I have both an impact and a normal drill, but you could do with just a drill. And then last but not least, a level to make sure your door is level. The first thing you want to do is to make sure your door frame fits in the door hole. The second thing you want to do is to place your door in the door hole and fasten it temporarily with shims or a windbag. The third thing you want to do is to level out your door. You start with the hinge side. First you have to check the in and out level, and then the side to side level, and at last you want to check the level on the top of the frame of the door so that all the gaps will be even on your door. The fourth thing you want to do is to fasten your door, and again you want to start with the hinge side. If you're using as large screws as I am, you have to start by pre-drilling all the holes. Once you have done that, you can set the screws in. Before you secure the other side of the door, you need to install the door first. This way you can make sure the door aligns perfectly with the door frame. This way the door will close properly against the door frame. Only hold the door lightly against the door frame to see if the gap aligns. If it does, then go ahead and secure the door frame. At last, you should have a beautiful and well-functioning door. The only thing you need to do now is to put on the trim, and then you are done. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions about this video, please leave a comment in the comment section below.